Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the one core angle your review will answer, then set up essentials: camera, mic, tripod, and a neutral backdrop. Once done, run 2 quick test takes, a concise intro and a tight product close-up, so you can confirm framing and audio levels immediately. You should speak naturally into the mic, show the product in hand, and mark any moments you want to expand later. This gets you moving fast and avoids rewrites during main filming. Now you execute the core. Follow a 3-shot rhythm: wide to set context, medium for demonstration, tight for details, so viewers always know what they're looking at. Make sure to capture at least 30 to 60 seconds of B-roll showing usage, packaging, and scale comparisons from different angles. Speak clearly for on-camera pros and cons, and add short voiceover notes for complex points. Once done, label takes and B-roll so your editor can assemble a logical, persuasive narrative without guessing. You finish by editing to a tight 5 to 10 minute flow. Open with a hook, move into a clear demo, present an honest verdict, and finish with one call to action. Once done, craft a readable thumbnail, write a concise description with 3 strong tags, and upload using recommended settings. If something goes wrong, like audio drift or washed colors, don't panic. Resync the audio, apply basic color correction, or insert short clarifying cutaways. That single troubleshooting step usually saves the whole video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.